Alright, we are attempting to make sushi. Nathanael is just checking the rice there. And ironically enough, Hannah just finished cleaning out her fishbowl. And so we just don't want to get the two jobs mixed up or we could be in trouble. Okay, right now we're just rinsing off the rice. Go ahead, Nathanael, put some water in there. So that the water is not cloudy anymore. It's still pretty cloudy, yeah. Alright, we rinsed out the rice until the water wasn't cloudy, and now we're putting it in this pot so we can cook it on the stove. Here is the brand that we're using. Let's see here. Sushi rice. How about that?
Yeah. Oopsie doopsie.
Arroz japonés. Right, there is our finished rice. I don't know, I'm not used to cooking rice like this, but it seems to be alright. I added a lot more water than they said and cooked it just a little bit longer. But there it is, nice and sticky, which is exactly what we want, right? Alright, now we're going to cut some vegetables. We've decided so far to use carrots, and we've got a cucumber here. So we'll cut some thin strips of those. No children will be using knives in this video. Alright, we've cut the vegetables. If I was doing this again, I wouldn't have cut them exactly like this, but we'll see how it works. We just cut some nice thin strips, and then we have lots of cucumber here left over to eat with some tajin. Some nice spice. And the fish is watching, getting rather nervous about the whole thing. Alright. There's our rice. We've added about 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Now I'm going to put in a little sugar, a little salt, mix it up a little bit, and see what we end up with. Alright, there we go. That loosened up the rice a little bit. I actually added another tablespoon of rice vinegar and a little more salt. And I think we're ready to go now. Alright, we're ready to go. We've got the fish here, salmon, this is the rice mixture, seaweed and the sushi mat, and veggies. Alright, so we've got the rice on there, we've got the cucumbers and carrots, and we've got the smoked salmon. So now I'm going to roll it. So Hannah's going to hold the camera while I roll it. Okay, so Hannah, show this part. So what we're going to do, actually I'm going to turn it around, it'll be easier this way. Kind of roll
the sushi mat?
Nice and tight here.
Mm-hmm.
See? Okay. It's not going to work as well the second time because I'm on camera. Okay. Something like that. Okay. Then,
Kind of. What?
yeah, it's not working at all.
Cut it.
You cut it. The end part is the hard part, but then it gets a little easier.
Kind of falls out. Which side?
There we go.
Stinks.
Piece of sushi.
I hate seaweed.
Once you're done, you have a nice plate of
sushi! Yay! Yummy, yummy, yummy.
at least one kind of sushi.
Yummy.